Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Organic lung health tea has been one of our best sellers since its creation in 2018 for its amazing benefits for breathing, lung support, and opening airways. Ginger is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the airways and improve lung function. It also contains antioxidants that protect the lungs from damage caused by free radicals and environmental toxins. Ginger's expectorant qualities aid in clearing mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, its natural antimicrobial properties help fight off respiratory infections, contributing to overall lung health. Licorice root has been traditionally used to support respiratory health due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It helps soothe irritated airways, reducing symptoms of bronchitis and other respiratory conditions. The root also acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the lungs. Ginkgo biloba is renowned for its potential benefits in supporting lung health through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. By improving blood circulation, it enhances oxygen delivery to the lungs, and the anti-inflammatory properties help reduce airway inflammation, making breathing easier and promoting better lung function. Additionally, the antioxidant compounds in Ginkgo biloba protect lung tissues from oxidative stress and environmental harm. Lemongrass has antimicrobial properties that can help fight respiratory infections, protecting the lungs from harmful pathogens. Additionally, its natural detoxifying effects assist in clearing toxins from the respiratory system. Lemongrass also helps reduce inflammation in the airways, promoting easier breathing and improved respiratory function. Sage helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making breathing easier and improving overall lung function. Sage's antimicrobial properties can fight off respiratory infections, protecting the lungs from dangerous pathogens. Additionally, it acts as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the lungs and ease congestion. Oregano reduces inflammation in the respiratory tract, facilitating easier breathing and improved lung function. The antimicrobial and antiviral compounds in oregano help fight respiratory infections. Additionally, oregano serves as a natural expectorant, assisting in the clearance of mucus and easing congestion. Slippery elm is beneficial for lung health due to its soothing properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making breathing easier and improving lung function. The mucilage in slippery elm coats the throat and lungs, providing a protective barrier that relieves irritation and coughing. Additionally, it acts as a natural expectorant, aiding in the clearance of mucus from the lungs and easing congestion. For this week's recipe, we are keeping it simple and featuring a few easy steps to make organic lung health tea a more refreshing summertime beverage to keep you healthy and cool all summer long. To begin, steep a couple teaspoons of organic lung health in 8 ounces of near-boiling filtered water for at least 7 minutes. While the tea cools, fill a glass with ice and add some honey and lemon juice. Once your tea cools off, pour it over the ice and garnish if you would like. Give it a stir and enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week and exploring organic lung health with us. Please share your thoughts on this blend with us in the comments. Happy steeping!